Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It's been a minute. It's been a long minute, but I back here to share a new digital kit from Mycraftyboutiqueco, who is our friend Luisa, and the new collection is the Vintage Christmas. And you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 background papers, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cut apart pages. So these are like little postcards. Then you got ephemera pieces. You got more ephemeras here. There's like tickets and stamps. And then this is her washi sheet. So she made like washi for you. And then here are like 3 of her envelopes that you could use, incorporate into your junk journals. Excuse me. Or mini albums. So this one is a little different. Her orientation for her background papers are vertical. So as you can see here, you got the Christmas tree, you got the Santa. These are all the long side, okay? And I will show you what they look like really quickly. All right, so here first are the cut aparts. I cut them out. This one I used my Cricut to cut out for me. So you get these images for the postcards. Very cute. And if you're into vintage right now, this is a beautiful Christmas collection to use in your junk journals or Christmas albums. And these little ones are, you get 2 of the same prints, and you could cut these out. I used the Cricut, so I just had the Cricut cut it out for me. It just didn't cut out the little tearaway part, which is fine. You get a larger version. You get 1 larger version of the same tickets. And then here you have some small stamps. Then this is what they look like. And very, very cool. And you also get a smaller version. I did not change the sizes, but although in Cricut Design Space, if you load this image and you remove the background, you know that you're very limited to what Cricut has for as far as the printable area. And so it's a smidge smaller as far as the intended sizes that she created with these images. And they will go the same with the envelopes. So if you printed this out and just fussy cut it yourself, it'll be just a little bit bigger, just a little bit. But I used my Cricut, and yeah, so this is what the envelope looks like. You can always add a plastic behind here, like those mailer envelopes that we get in the mail, the junk mail. Or you can just leave it blank, or you could use vellum, you know, whatever. Use whatever you like. So here is the music sheet, and then another music sheet style. And then you have the vintage candy cane stripe. So those are the 3 envelopes that you also get. And then this is the washi. Now I printed this out and I made the mistake. I did not use my sticker paper. If you watch Luisa's channel, she found a printable washi that you can put through your printer. I think she found it on Temu, but you know, like she said, it's hard to find. You just got to search it. I don't have any links for you. I do not have that washi paper. So here's the washi tape. You basically just cut these into strips. If you had printed, I might go back and print it again on sticker paper. But for now, this is what they look like. Just cut them apart as needed. And then here are the papers. And they're all going in this direction. So you have the vintage candy cane stripe. And then there is the fun, I call it Christmas postal paper. And then here's a music sheet. Oh, Christmas tree. I think that's cute. And then this is what I mean, like, you know, lengthwise vertical. They're in the vertical position. Usually she tends to design in the horizontal so that it could be used as a like traveler's notebook this way, but I think she intended for it to be used in this direction. But you don't have to use it that way. You can use it however you wish. And here is the Christmas tree, very pretty. I like that. And there's ledger paper. And then you have more ledger paper. So ledger paper, but the different styles. So there you go. And then another music sheet, once long ago. It's the same as the envelopes. I really, really, really love this one. This is the Santa image. And I love the fade in the middle. And then here she did the candy cane stripes with some pine needles around the border. So very cute. When I printed it, I was playing with the papers so that I could have two to a sheet if I wanted to make a journal like this. And then on the back, I put it in again and I printed 2 more designs. So all I really have to do is cut down the top and the bottom. I don't even mind the white on the sides or in the middle, because in the middle it won't be seen. On the sides we can cover that up with some what is it called, trim. So here are 2 more of the background papers, and I love that. Very cool. There I added the pine cone or pine needles and the Christmas tree music sheet. And on the back, I didn't realize it, but I put 2 reds together. It doesn't matter because you're not gonna see them side by side. And then here again, I put the Christmas tree music sheet again, and then here I have Santa. So that's what those look like. Very pretty. And you know, you can see I use some of the images twice. So here and here. But it does not matter. You don't have to use it all like that. All right, so there you have it. You've got Luisa's digital collection. I can't wait to get into this and get started playing with these digital papers. So yeah, if you're interested, go check out the link in the description box down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this collection. Check out Luisa's coffee page. That's where it's going to be, that's where it's going to take you to her coffee situation. So yeah, and let us know what you guys going to do with this beautiful collection. It's so pretty. I got it all printed out just on regular printer paper. You can always print it on cardstock. I just used paper because, you know, the last time I was using cardstock and I didn't like that it was, I don't know, it was weird. It was acting weird to put into my journal. It was making it really, really thick. But if you want it like that, go for it. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, you can hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. And yeah, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.